where have you been? It is the one and only Praise. I wish I could call you that. It's
everyday life. That's what he said when he spoke about an actor, about leading with a hand.
People will understand where you're coming from. People will really get the craft. And also, it doesn't hurt to hone your craft. You know, you learn each day, you get to improve, you come to the workshop, people give you tips, people share their experiences, and you get to relate. It goes to show that you're not alone in this. I mean, there are other people like me. I mean, I was in a position once where I was just, you know, begging and praying for God to answer my prayers, that I want to be on television one day.